Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to assign a queue as a record owner in Salesforce Flow. This is incredibly useful when you want to automatically route leads or other records to a team queue instead of a specific person, ensuring fair distribution and better team management. Before we build the flow, we need to create the queue itself. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of Salesforce, then select Setup. This opens your administrative settings where you can configure queues and other system features. Once you're in Setup, use the Quick Find box on the left side and type queues. Click on queues from the search results, then click the New button to start creating your queue. You'll need to enter a label and queue name. For example, you might use my_lead_queue. Make sure to note this exact name as you'll need it later in your flow. Next, under supported objects, add the object you want this queue to handle, such as lead. This tells Salesforce which type of records can be assigned to this queue. Then under queue members, add the users or roles who should be part of this queue. Once everything looks good, click Save to create your queue. Now let's build the actual flow. Head back to Setup, use Quick Find to search for flows, then click Flows and select New Flow. Choose Record Triggered Flow as your flow type since we want this to run automatically when records are created. For the object field, select lead or whichever object you're working with. Set the trigger to a record is created so the flow runs immediately when a new record appears. Under optimization, choose fast field updates for better performance. Click Done to proceed to the flow builder. Now we need to retrieve the queue we created earlier. Click the plus icon after the start element and select Get Records. Label this element Get_queue. For the object, select Group, which is how Salesforce stores queues internally. Set the filter to all conditions are met and then add a condition where the name field equals my_lead_queue. This must match exactly what you named your queue in Setup. Set how many records to only the first record and choose Automatically Store All Fields under Store Record Data. This retrieves your queue's ID, which we'll use next. Click the plus icon after Get_queue and select Assignment. Label it Assign_queue_owner. Click New Assignment to create the actual assignment logic. For the variable, select $record.owner_ID. Set the operator to equals, and for the value, choose $get_queue.id. This assigns the queue's ID as the record owner. Finally, let's save and activate the flow. Click Save, enter a flow label like Assign Lead to Queue, then click Save again. Once saved, click the Activate button to make your flow leave. Now whenever a new lead is created in Salesforce, it will automatically be assigned to your queue instead of an individual user. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.